Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest gadgets. Today, we have something special for you: the Viewsonic PX747 4K Ceiling Mounted Projector. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's get started. The Viewsonic PX747 4K is a fantastic projector that can turn your living room into a home theater. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, and even professional presentations. Now, let's go through some key features. First and foremost, the Viewsonic PX747 4K boasts stunning Ultra HD 4K resolution. That means you get 4 times the clarity and detail of Full HD. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, the picture quality is jaw-dropping. One of the standout features of this projector is its ceiling mount compatibility. We've got it securely installed on our ceiling, and it looks sleek and modern. This ceiling mount keeps your projector out of the way and maximizes your room space. Now, let's talk about how we installed this beauty. We used the Projector Gear projector ceiling mount, and it was a breeze. It's designed specifically for projectors like the PX747 4K, ensuring a perfect fit. It sets the projector only 5 inches from the ceiling, and the kit includes all the necessary hardware for a hassle-free installation. Moving on to connectivity, the PX747 4K has you covered. It offers multiple input options, including HDMI, VGA, and USB. You can easily connect your gaming console, Blu-ray player, or laptop. Plus, it supports 3D content for a more immersive experience. Picture quality is not just about resolution, it's also about brightness and color accuracy. The PX747 4K delivers 3,500 lumens of brightness, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. And with super color technology, you'll experience vibrant and lifelike colors. Now, you might be wondering about the sound. Well, this projector comes with built-in 10-watt speakers that provide clear audio. But if you want a cinematic audio experience, you can easily connect external speakers via the audio out port. So, how has our experience been with the Viewsonic PX747 4K? Let me tell you, it's been nothing short of amazing. We've had movie nights that felt like we were at the cinema, and gaming sessions with jaw-dropping graphics. The 4K resolution truly shines through. In conclusion, the Viewsonic PX747 4K ceiling-mounted projector is a fantastic addition to your home entertainment setup. It delivers exceptional 4K visuals, is easy to install with the right ceiling mount, and offers versatile connectivity options. If you're looking to take your movie nights and gaming sessions to the next level, this projector is a solid choice. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or want to see more reviews like this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.